Give you my heart.
Okay, in this video you will learn about comparison operators and if-else, elif loops. So what are chaining operators, chaining comparison operators, and or and not. Okay, so say for if something is equal like 2 equals to 2, this if these both numbers are equal, then it will print a true. So let's print out print and see. Now if we are printing like it is not equals to, then what it will print is false. See, false. Now let's start. Now if you are writing any condition, then how will you write is 1, 2 and 3. What it will be? Yeah, it will be true. So let's check print and see, it will return true. What's the another way of writing is like print. I'm printing 1 is smaller than 2 and 2 is smaller than 3. It will also print the same. See, now as checking like a print not and 400 is greater than 5000. So what it will print? Let's check. It will print true. Why? Because it is, as we had written a not, which means it is not true, which means the 5000 is greater. The opposite will be, what is the opposite of this is this. This is the opposite of not, that we have written the above sentence like what we had written above is not than 400 and 5000. These both are equals. These both are equal. Now let's start with if-else loop. So basic syntax, what is the syntax? Like if something condition, so some condition if this condition happens, then print or you can tell some kind of execute some code, right? And some code if this do not happen, then what we will write? Elif condition. Like elif we add another condition, add some another condition, so some say for other condition like this, then we have to execute some other code like this. And or else if these both conditions are unsatisfied, then I have to place else code, then execute this code. So this is the syntax. This is basic syntax. Now let's try with an example. So let's try. So if say for I am giving a hungry equals to, so for hungry equals to, I am writing true. I'm writing hungry equals to true. So if hungry, then what I want to execute is print I want something to eat. I want something to eat. Else what I have to do is, else I want to print I'm not hungry. I am not hungry, like this. Well, so let's check what it will print. It will print is I want something to eat, because what I wrote is hungry equals to true, means it is actually hungry. Like this, what we can do is, if the condition is true, so we can write here a true. If this condition is true, means this condition always be true, because I written here if true. So let's check. I want something to eat. Now let's check about the elif loop example. So say for lock equals to, I'm assigning to store like this, and what I'm doing is, if lock equals to auto shop, if lock equals to, sorry, it's my mistake, if lock equals to auto shop, then what I have to print is print cars are cool. Yeah, anything, cars are cool, like this. And now I'm writing a elif condition. So elif, what I have to write condition, if this lock equals to store, then print welcome to the store, print welcome to the store, like this. And by default, if these both conditions are false, then else. What we have to print is none of this. For print, and write none of this, like this. So what will be the output is, if local, here I have assigned the local as a store, so it will print this condition. So this condition will satisfy. So what it will print is welcome to the store, like see welcome to the store. So these are the basic fundamental if else loop. So hope we will see you in next video. Like a Hellcat.